Titan is in the midst of its transformation to the cloud. We are implementing Oracle ERP Cloud, Oracle EPM Cloud, and SCM Cloud. Titan is moving to Oracle ERP from Infor Lawson because we've had poor visibility, high cost of IT, and lack of control across the business. By eliminating the number of ERPs that we manage and the support costs associated with that across the world, we're going to be able to eliminate a lot of cost in our IT. I would think it'd be fairly dramatic and maybe up to 50%. As we were comparing Infor versus Oracle ERP and the cloud, we thought about several things that stood out, making Oracle better. The first one was the extensibility of the ERPs. The second one being a real extensive cloud roadmap. And at the end of the day, it was really about how much they were investing in emerging technologies versus the $6 billion a year that Oracle is investing. Phase 2 of our transformation will involve using the innovative technologies that Oracle is already working on in terms of IoT and blockchain. I'm very excited about the opportunity to take Oracle IoT Cloud and take it into our shop floor and be able to understand our costs inside the plant and then compare that across our many facilities all over the world. One of my top priorities as CFO is to increase collaboration across our businesses. And therefore, I want to be able to increase the transparency that we have with each other, increase the communication flow. Oracle, as our partner, will bring together all of this for me. Collaboration, coordination, as well as the technologies that we're going to have to employ across our businesses to make us more efficient. I need to increase visibility in our business, and this is going to help us do that.